Good morning, friends. Today I will take you around the Kaziranga National Park in Assam, which is the pride of India and one of the best parks, wildlife parks in the world. Kaziranga is famous for the one-horned rhinoceros. It has a large population of one-horned rhinoceros. In fact, it is considered that more than two-thirds of the population of rhinoceros in the world resides in Kaziranga National Park in India. Kaziranga is located in the Golaghat, Nagaon and Karbi Anglong districts of Assam, and as per census held in March 2018, the rhino population in the park was 2,413, which is more than two-thirds of the total population in the world of the one-horned rhinoceros. The park is so important and so good that in 1985 it was declared a World Heritage Site. Along with this, another national park in Assam, which is the Manas National Park, was also declared a World Heritage Site, but more of that later. Today we will focus on Kaziranga and Kaziranga alone. So friends, Kaziranga has a huge rhino population and the rhino sighting is easy. You can see lot of rhino once you have a safari in the park. Both safaris are conducted here, jeep safari as well as elephant safari. Elephant safaris, of course, are in the mornings, and jeep safari is there up to noon. So, doing these, you can see the large rhino population in the park. Kaziranga has tiger population also. More than 100 tiger are reported to be there, and it has one of the highest densities of tiger in the wild in India. And it was declared a tiger reserve in 2006. Kaziranga National Park is home to large breeding population of elephants, wild water buffaloes and swamp deer also. Lot of birds come here during the winters. Migratory birds even from Siberia are coming here, nesting here, breeding here, and as the summer approaches, those fly back to cooler climates of Siberia. Kaziranga therefore is recognized as an important bird area by the BirdLife International for conservation of avifaunal species. Friends, once you enter Kaziranga, you will find that it is a vast expanse of tall elephant grass. Tall elephant grass is there, marshlands are there, and a dense tropical moist broadleaf forest is there. This forest is crisscrossed by several streams, several rivers, and mighty Brahmaputra is one of those rivers which crosses the park. Every year mighty Brahmaputra floods the park and the rhino population has to climb the higher places. There are hills alongside, and there are some rhino deaths also reported during floods, but again breeding replenishes the numbers. So as on date, Kaziranga has more than two-thirds of the total rhino population in the world. The park celebrated its centennial in 2005 as it was established in 1905, and the conservation and the biodiversity at the park make it a unique national park. So these are the special features of the park, friends. Now about approaching, there are two ways, Jorhat and Guwahati. By air you can reach, from there drive down. Jorhat to park is 86 km, Guwahati to park is 225, and in fact buses also ply on this National Highway 37, which passes through Kaziranga National Park. So you can get down at Kohora. Kohora is the main place for entry to the park. It is in the central range. Once you reach Kohora, the entrance is there. On entrance, tourist center is there, reception center is there. You can book your tickets for entry as well as safaris. Elephant safari takes place at 5:30 and 6:30 in the morning. Usually it lasts 1 hour. The entry to the park costs in the range of 650 rupees. Please check the exact amount to be paid for entry. And Jeep safari enters the park up to noon time. So please be careful to enter the park by noon. After which the safaris is stopped and you will have to wait for the next day to have a safari in the park. Regarding stay, good number of resorts are there. You can book in advance online, and good food is available, both veg as well as non-veg food is available. In Assam, prohibition is not there, so liquor is also available. Evenings you can enjoy your liquor if you like it. And besides Kohora, there are other entries also. Burha Pahad is another entry from where you can enter through Jeep Safari. However, Kohora is the most prominent one. So it is advisable to stick to Kohora. The beauty of Kaziranga is out of this world simply, and you have to see it to believe it. So friends, I have a video on Kaziranga. I will show it to you. Please watch it to realize the beauty of the Kaziranga National Park. So I am just opening it. Please hold on. So here it is, friends, the entrance to the Kaziranga National Park. You can see tourists enjoying a baby elephant is there. There is a Jeep Safari. Again, tourist with elephant, you can see. This is the rhino, pride of Kaziranga National Park. Friends, this is the thing which people come from all over the world to see. There is a migratory bird from Siberia. There is a baby rhino. The mother is nearby only. Both are having food. Grass is their staple food. And this is the view of elephant safari. People are so happy. They have seen rhino, swamp deer, elephant, migratory birds, and now coming back with lot of happiness. This is another migratory bird, Siberian crane. There is a eagle atop a tree. There is a entire bunch of migratory birds from Siberia, and this is, friends, hornbill, the state bird of Nagaland. After this you have tortoises sitting on a log of wood in the river. Then people are coming back on the safari. Just see how happy they are, waving to the family and friends who are waiting for them. Just see. Oh, so happy. So friends, you deserve this happiness. Please do visit Kaziranga and have the happiness in you. You deserve it. Please do come and see it. So this was all about Kaziranga. About Manas, I will tell you in the next video. Please wait till then, friends. Take good care of yourself. Good day. Thank you and bye bye.